Shawty bad, slim, thick, she might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist, she the plug, she finesse.
Wavy Boy Productions.
Hey love, so I'm back today for another tutorial. In this tutorial I am creating a olive green smoky. This is on one of my mini list of fall glam tutorials that I want to do. So I'm doing this palette all with the ABH Subculture Palette. The only other eyeshadow I end up using this tutorial is Hammered by Colourpop, but otherwise I am using the Subculture Palette. I had a tutorial that I did a while ago, actually doing like a grunge type of look with the Subculture Palette, but I didn't overall like the footage, so I had got rid of it. So to you guys, this is my first time using the Subculture Palette, but I've used it a couple times. I'm in love with that palette. I'm guessing like it just was bad batches that had went out for people, and that's why they didn't like it. But I got mine from Marshalls for $30. It is the bomb and I'm in love with it. So I'm packing on two of the shades from the Subculture Palette. One is a mustard shade and one is that olive green shade. I'll place both of the shades names down below so you guys can know exactly what shades I use. But yeah, I'm just going to build that up and make it as smoky as possible. I also began placing a darker green in my crease to make it darker, and then I think I'll cut my crease in this tutorial. I might cut my crease, I don't know, I actually don't remember because this is pretty old before I did my my glam vampire look, so I don't remember if I cut the crease. 9 times out of 10 I cut the crease because y'all know I just love cut creases. So this is the first tutorial where I actually don't cut my crease. I haven't done this in a while, so I am applying Coty Airspun powder on my lid so that the shimmer does not crack, because I really hate shimmer eyeshadows. They just crack too much for me. So I'm placing the color Hammered by Colourpop all over my lid, and I really got annoyed because I didn't realize how much it was going to blend into my actual like crease color. So I was thinking of ways I can go in and fix this. So then I got this bright idea to add the color Electric from the ABH Subculture Palette to make that green pop out, and I loved how that turned out.
Wavy Boy Productions.
So before I skip to me having a full face, I just wanted to show y'all something I did really quick. So I had put on a gold liner, but you really couldn't see it. So I had bought this TooFaced Pure Gold Fine Glitter a while back. So what I did was put a little bit of it in the cap, and I actually placed that as the glitter liner, and I just love how it came out. I just feel like it really popped with this eye because I didn't want to do a traditional black liner. I get tired of doing black liner. I really don't like doing eyeliner at all, but I've been getting more into it lately, and I just feel like it gave this look, you know, a pop, you know, that it needed. And I just didn't want to do like a typical olive smoky eye because it's been done so many times before. I just wanted to add my own unique flavor to this. And just like that, we're back with the full face. So as you guys know, I'm just typically finishing up my face, going in my waterline with that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I believe I pretty much continued the same steps I did on the top with the yellow and the green. And then, you know, I highlight, I put my lip color on, and yeah, I'm really just finishing up my face in the remainder of this video. So I know for the most part in a lot of my videos I do a lot of talking, but I'm actually under the weather. That's why I'm not talking as much this video. But a lot of the things I'm doing, you guys, is very self-explanatory. My throat really does hurt, but I'm just speeding through my lash cocktail. I just wanted to talk about my Halloween series real quick. I hope you guys are enjoying. If you guys don't know, I am running a Halloween giveaway. If you want to participate in that, it is running from beginning of October all the way to the end, and I will be giving out my giveaway prize in November. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys briefly about that. Like I said, definitely if you aren't following me on any of my other social media, definitely check it out. It's down below. And so yeah, I will be doing that for the whole month of October. The next look will be dropping this week as well, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the glam pyre look. It was so different for me to create that I really enjoyed doing so. So yeah, now on to highlighting with my fave combo, which is any gold highlighter with the Becca Opal, because that's just my fave highlighter of all time. So I've been trying to get out of my nudish pink, you know, lip combo that I love. It's not even a lip combo. I just really love MAC Velvet Teddy. It's like my favorite nude lipstick. So I usually wear that 98% of the time, but I've been trying to break out of that and to wear different lip colors. So I feel like this is another good one. That's a good everyday one. This is like a mauve kind of lip combo. I use Faux by MAC. I use the Tarte, the little thing that you get when you from Sephora for your birthday, they were giving out. And I have another like lip crown I usually use with this in the Trap Colourpop liquid lipstick, which I think I ended up running out of, so I threw it out of. But and then I top it with a nude gloss, and I just feel like it's a really good, you know, lip combo for every day if you're not into wearing lip colors like that. Also, what you guys see me doing here is tapping some metallic gloss or like a lip color in the center. I just like to do that for extra shine because I'm just an extra bitch. But yeah, I do this a lot when I wear nude colors. I just think it's really cute. It brings attention to the center of your lips. And then sometimes I put gloss around it instead of fully glossing my lips. So I like that aspect too. And as the slow-mo starts, I just wanted to briefly say, if you guys can see, I went in off camera, added a green rhinestone and a pearl, just because I just wanted to be extra with this look. And I had some pearls that I got sent from Rebel Glitter Goddess this month, and I wanted to use them before the month is over. So definitely shop Rebel Glitter Goddess and make sure you get your accessories and some poppin' chunky glitter. I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, comment, rate, subscribe, and I love you guys so much. Bye.
Wavy Boy Productions.
Her name and made that bitch a LLC. Stuff a couple stacks up in there, bitch, get on your feet. You make twice as much if you switch it up just to see. So you he's rich and famous, but he's just a guy to me. I feel like I'm King Kong, name still going ding dong. Two girls getting more money and they don't rap, they sing.